Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this tutorial I'd like to show you two different ways so you can block the number which you've got currently saved on your contacts, or you can do it kind of by manually entering the number. Let's start with your contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Then let's pick 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages. So just tap on block, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon and the number is from now on blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, right here, just by tapping on it. However, let me leave it like this, let me leave it blocked, because we will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now moving to the second way. It does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So it worked. I told you that this way, the second way, is kind of manual, so you can enter the number. Just tap on add a number, and as you can see we've got this section where you can simply enter the number. You can also paste it if you've got it copied and tap on block. It will also immediately appear on the blacklist. Of course, what is more, you've got this option unknown, and after activating it by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful sometimes. Of course, you can unblock the numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it and confirming. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.